Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to install Linux terminal on your Android smartphone and how you can write a program on this application. Go to your Play Store and install the app known as termux and open it. After that you need to update this app, so type apt get update and hit enter. After that you need to upgrade this app, so type apt get upgrade and hit enter, then type y and hit enter. It is installing. After that you need to download two packages known as Nano and Clang. Nano is a text editor in which you can write any program and you can save it. C language is a compiler in which you can compile the C program. To install the package Nano, type pkg install nano, then hit enter. Type y and hit enter. It is installing. The package is successfully installed. After that you have to install C language. To install C language, type pkg install Clang, then hit enter. Then type y and hit enter. It is installing. It will take a little bit time depending upon your internet connection. The package is successfully installed. After that I am going to write a program, so type nano and hit enter, and I am writing a program. You need to download a hacker's keyboard to write the program. After that, to save the program, use Ctrl+O, then type your name of the program, enter. To exit from Nano, use Ctrl+X. For compiling, type Clang and enter your name of the program and hit enter. To see the output, type ./a.out and hit enter. To find which files are in this directory, use ls and hit enter. To clear all the session, type clear and hit enter. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.